over on your right-hand side is the African penguin. The African penguin is able to survive in Florida's harsh climate because they come from an area of Africa that is much like Florida. This green and yellow coaster right above you is Cheetah Hunt. Cheetah Hunt is the longest coaster here at Busch Gardens that has over 4,000 feet of track. Over on your right hand side, this maroon and blue coaster is Cobra's Curse. Cobra's Curse is a kid-friendly coaster which means you can go upside down. It will run back, take you 70 feet up in the air, where you'll come head to head with the baby boot snake King Venomous. King Venomous will then send you down a 70-foot drop, or he'll spin you forwards. Venomous, go ride and find out. Cobra's Curse is also the only coaster here at Busch Gardens with an air-conditioned queue. Ooh, in this heat, tempts me. Over on your right-hand side, this blue and yellow coaster is Montu. Montu is named after the Egyptian god of war, while Montu, though the only thing he really wages war on nowadays is your stomach. Don't believe me? Go ride. Montu will take you 150 feet up in the air, drop you at a 150-foot drop at 65 miles an hour, or you will then be sent through 7 different immersions. It's above your head, while your feet then go towards the ground. We will soon be entering our Serengeti belt, so please remember to remain seated, keeping all body parts inside the train. As we enter our Serengeti belt, over on your left-hand side is a tan animal with horns. That tan animal with horns on your left-hand side is the eland antelope. The eland antelope are the largest of the antelope species and can weigh as much as 1 ton. They can jump 10 feet up in the air from a standing position and run 25 kilometers an hour. That tall animal with polka dots right next to the elands is the reticulated giraffe. The reticulated giraffe is the tallest of the land of mammals and love to do everything standing up. This includes eating, drinking, using the restroom, and even giving birth. This means that the first thing a baby giraffe in the wild will experience is a 6-foot drop. Does anyone know a giraffe's favorite type of comedy? That would be stand-up comedy. A giraffe can be as tall as up to 18 feet. Over on your left-hand side, or coming up on your left-hand side, is a striped animal. That is the grevy zebra. The grevy zebra is the largest of the zebra species. Their stripes, they have a white belly. Their stripes do not go all the way around their bodies. Does anyone know why? Busch Gardens ran out of paint. That white animal right next to the grevies is the Adax antelope. The Adax antelope is a critically endangered species. There is recently only around 100 of them left in the wild. The zebra was not having that, so he went and challenged the baboon for the watering hole. The zebra ultimately won and beat the baboon, but in the process of winning, it fell into the baboon's fire, being burned by the flames and sticks, and those burn marks are the stripes that you see on zebras today. Those are grevy zebras on both sides of the train, and a wildebeest over on the left-hand side. Greater kudu can stand as still as a statue for up to 3 hours. They are also known as the gray ghost. They camouflage perfectly in the tall grass and shrubs of the Serengeti. There they are, left-hand side of the train, the greater kudu.